Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in today's video is going to be a mini vlog. I'm doing my hair today, so I want to take you guys along with me. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, so I'm currently waiting for the train. It's still snowing, of course. I didn't feel like driving, so I don't know if you guys still can hear me though. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. Just finished getting my hair done, period. This here is from my hair collection, Love Galore collection. You could go check the Instagram out, the website, everything. All the links will be linked down below, so go shop, period. And so now that I'm back home, I'm on my way to the supermarket to get a few things, and then that'll be it for the vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just left the supermarket, so now I'm stopping to get food and then I'll be heading back home. So alright y'all, so I'm back home. I hope you enjoyed the little vlog that I did today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.